Good day everyone. Now I want to teach you guys how to create a simple business card. So this is the app we are going to use. This is the app. This one. You can download it from your Play Store. This app. So let's go. Click on it. Then if you want to create a vertical card, is there, horizontal card is there. But I want to create a horizontal card, so tap on the horizontal card. Then you can see there are many cards over here. You choose the one you want and edit it to your taste. So let me find the one I want to use. Let me use this one. So let's go. Tap on it, edit it, or double tap on it. Let me just write my number. +23470624295. You can use your own number, so don't use my own number. Done. Add, as you can see. Then email address. Just double tap on it. Let me write it. This is my email address. Add your website, any website you want to put. If you don't want to add any website, it's okay. Just an example. Done. Then double tap on it. Supertech. Digital Academy. Academy. Done. Yeah, if you don't like the font, you can change the font. As you can see, there are many fonts, but I like this one. Let me change the photo of this one too. That's good. So as you can see, all those things is okay. So if you want to save it, just tap here, tap on this save here. So as you save it, if you tap here, it will successfully save to your gallery. So if you save it, now go back. This is the front. Go back and edit the back too. So let's go back, leave. Then this is the front of the thing, downloading. So this is how the front will look like. Just edit, double tap to edit your company name. As you can see, done. Yeah, add. Then if I want to change the font, just click on font, text, click on the second one. That is good. So everything is okay now. Let me just use black for this one. So if you want to download it again, just here, tap on this save here, then it is saved to your gallery. You can also print it if you want, then tap on save. So this is it. If you want, you can share it to your WhatsApp, anywhere.